We are exploring. On this sunny Sunday in November, we're at Lake Sylvia in the foothills of the Ouachita Mountains in the Ouachita National Forest. This is a swim site and it's pretty cool to come here in summer. Well, for the season, this place is closed, the road is closed, because they're only open for the swimming season, and that is between Memorial Day in May and Labor Day in September. But let's climb over the barrier and go exploring. This yellow thing there is where you put your envelope with the fee in it. I think it's about $2 per person, $1.50 or $2. Very affordable. Lake Sylvia is a man-made lake, and it was created in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps. I have another video that I published last week in which you can find out some details about the Civilian Conservation Corps, or CCC. That video is about the CCC Camp Hollis. There are some picnic benches here, so in summer you can come and bring your sandwiches or grill your sausages in this little park here at Lake Sylvia. This is about 40 miles west of Little Rock, and the closest city, I believe, is Perryville. This building here, there are restrooms, and I believe at some point in the past there was also a concession in here where you could buy food. Look at that smoky bear. Be careful with fire. You don't want to set the Ouachita National Forest on fire. Here are some more picnic benches. In another part of this Lake Sylvia park here, there's a campground with some primitive campsites, and they have some trails here as well, which are easy to walk. And for the kids, there is playground equipment, and here I'll give you an overview of the area. But what we want to see is the beach. Alright, we're almost there. As I said, it's November. I'm not sure if I said it's November. I'm filming this in November, so it's definitely too cold to go swimming. But this little park here at Lake Sylvia is very scenic, and I went swimming here last year and I enjoyed myself. This is roped off. The swimming area is roped off with buoys, but that only shows you the safe area where you can stand. Over there in the distance I see some pretty fall colors, some yellow and red leaves on these trees. There's a diving platform here at the lake. And the buoys, by the way, the area that's roped off by the buoys, this is just to show you where you can safely stand, and if you like, you can swim or float on your air mattress or tire all over the lake. There in the distance, on the right, there's the dam. And one time last summer, I swam all the way over to the dam to get a little exercise. This lake is pretty small. I believe it's 18 acres in size, but yes, where I'm zooming in here, just around the corner to the right, that's where the dam is. If you're a good swimmer, it takes you maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get there, but you can also float on your air mattress. There's also a boat ramp so that you can bring your boat. But I believe there's only electric motors allowed if you bring a boat, because people are swimming here, and these gasoline powered boats are just too loud in an area that is meant for recreation. This is very scenic, and I enjoyed my time here last summer and swimming here in the lake. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it.